Assalamu alaikum, dear student. How are you? Fine, thank you. Welcome to AFC. Chapter 5. Today's topic is Chapter 5, Translator Program. We are going to start Translator Program. So, yourself. Mute yourself. If a question, then raise your hand. That means Translator Program. Translator means the person who translate one language from one language to another language is called translator. Here in computer programming, program written in machine language are called object program. Machine language means machine language. Last class we learn about machine language. Machine only understand 0 and 1 and retain the program with 0 and 1 is called object program. Written in machine language is called object program, and those written in other language is called source program. We know we have five generation of language. First generation is machine language and other four generation is not machine language, is written in other language. So only machine language know object program. Other language does not know object program. That means they do not know 0 and 1. Translator are program that convert source program to object program. That means source program we written in another language other than 0 and 1 is called source program. When we write our program, we write in English language. English language is not machine language. English language is computer language or programming language. This programming language is called source program. And a translator convert source program into machine language, that means 0 and 1. So translator do a important role to convert high level language to machine level language. That thing is written here. High level language high level language translator machine language. You can see here. Computer can only understand machine language, but programs written in machine language are difficult for human to understand. So humans write program in high level or assembly language, then convert them into machine language with a translator. There are three types of program, translator program or software. Translator program is one type of software. Number one, assembler. Number two, compiler. Number three, interpreter. Assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Assembler, compiler, and interpreter. We can use Another example in our practical life, last class I said, suppose a foreign prime minister like Japanese prime minister came to our country to discuss with our prime minister. Japanese prime minister knows only Japanese language and our prime minister knows only Bangla language. So, how can they communicate? Here, third person can communicate. This third person is called translator. This third person is called translator. Japanese language translator to prime minister to ours, and Bangla language translate to Japanese language prime minister to Japan. Here is the main role of translator. Understand? If any question, raise your hand. Okay, thank you. Assembler. Three types of translator: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Translate program written in assembly language into machine language. You know, second generation language is assembler, assembly language. Assembly language need assembler to translate written program in assembly language to machine language. That's why second generation need assembler. Translate program written in assembly language into machine language. Assembly language program are converted from mnemonic code. Mnemonic code. Mnemonic code is one type of symbolic code. Symbolic code. Symbol use করে. Last class we learn about mnemonic code to machine language. If there is an error in the program, an error message is given. If any error is occurred when we write a program by using assembly language, then it show error message. Here is a diagram. Here is a diagram. Assembly language program, assembler, machine language program. That means assembly language written in assembly language is source program, and machine language program is called object program. You have to remember it. Written in other language is called source program, and converted to machine language, that machine language is called object program. Object program means 0 and 1. Here translator is assembler. Here translator is who translator? Here translator is assembler. Assembler translating assembled language to machine language. Clear to you? Okay, thank you. Next, main objectives of assembly program. Main objectives, that means প্রধান লক্ষ্য, convert mnemonic code into machine language, convert symbolic address into machine language address. Address means, you know, we can write program in programming language. We have to use variable. We have to use variable. When we declare variable, then there make a address there. That means convert symbolic address into machine language address. Given error message if there is any error. If any error, then give error message. Keep all instruction address in the main memory. Main memory তে সব কিছু ইনস্ট্রাকশন জমা রাখে। নেক্সট দেখি নাও compiler. Now it is compiler. A compiler is a kind of translator. Here compiler also a translator. Or disturbing. Also a converter. A compiler is also a converter, translator, which convert high-level language into machine level language. Assembler convert assembly language to machine language. Here compiler convert high-level language to machine language. In other words, a compiler converts source program into object program. Written in high-level language is called source program, and converted program into machine language is called object program. I am saying frequently object program and source program. When written in other language is called source program, and converted to machine language is called object program. You have to remember it. There are two main steps to a compiler. In the first step, the compiler read every line of the source program and convert into an object program. That means compiler read every line by line, and there is a mistake, then they given a signal. There is a mistake or error. If there is some error in the source program, then the compiler gives an error message to the user to correct the error. Waiting error. Why you are late? Please come in time regular. No, please keep silent and please keep silent. When you come in late in class, then keep silent and follow the class. Please. We have far ahead. If there is some error in the source program, then the compiler gives an error message to the user to correct the error. This error message is called compile time diagnostic error message. Mute yourself. Mute yourself. If a program is compiled once, then there is no need to compile anymore. That means in compiler, one can compile one time, not frequently. This facility is not available in assembler. This facility is not in assembler and interpreter. আমরা three types of translator দেখলাম, here assembler, compiler and interpreter. Compiler compiles only one times and do not need to compile frequently when you run the program. In the second step, the newly translated in the second step, the newly translated object program is executed based on data to show the result. The process of translating is shown in the picture below. You write the topic and point in your khata or notebook. It is from your book. So write the topic and points. That will be helpful for your home study. Okay, thank you. Here is a picture. Here is a picture or diagram. Source program, that means high level source program, that means written in high level language. Source program written in high level language. Compiler, then compiler convert to object program, and if there is any error, then list of error. This is the process of compiler. Compiler compiles source program, that means high level language written in English, then convert to object program, that means machine language, which is 0 and 1. If there is any error, then show the error message. Got it, everyone? If any problem, raise your hand. If any problem, raise your hand and unmute yourself and ask question. Okay, next one. Objective of compiler program. Objectives of compiler program. Take number 1, convert source program into machine language. Identify the main memory strengths. Prepare a written form of source program and object program. If there is any error in the source program, make a list of error when translating. If any error, then make a list of error when translating. You observe here, it is already text basis. It is text basis, so you have to understand and memorize. You have to understand and memorize. It is available in your book. Just write topic and point out and try to understand what I saying. Advantage of compiler. Compiler translate the entire program together to that execution is faster. Advantage. Compiler translate the entire program together so that execution is faster. Execution means runtime. It can run faster. Execution of program is less time consuming. Since it is faster, then time consuming is less. Programs convert through the compiler are fully converted into machine language. That means by using compiler, when we convert the high level language to machine language, it's convert fully, totally at a time. If a program is compiled once, then there is no need to compile anymore. That means if you compile one time, that means make source program to object program, then you don't need to compile frequently or every runtime. Any error are shown in the monitor at the same time. That means if there is any or more error in written program, then shows a list of error in the monitor. There may be 4, 5, 1 or more error. There is a list of error in the monitor, and this error message seeing a programmer Debug means correction of error. Debug means correction of error. Make debugging. Okay, next চলে যাই আমরা disadvantage. Every language has advantage, also disadvantage of compiler. Compiler shows the all error together, so the correction of this program need more time. We have learned just before. The compiler shows error at a time, a lot of error. If you mistake a lot, then there shows lot of error. That's why it is need more time. Compilers are big program, so need a lot of memory. Compilers are big program. That because in big program we need to use compiler. We know three types of translator: assembler, compiler, and interpreter. Here we are discussing about compiler and already discussed about assembler. About among three, compiler used for big programs. Only compiler used for big program. Assembler is little program, and interpreter is less bigger program. Debugging and testing is slow. Debugging and testing. Debugging, that means making error correction. Debugging means making error correction. If there is any error in written, then you have to see the monitor. There is a list of error. When you compile, then making error correction is called debugging. And testing is also testing. You compile the program. When you compile completed, there is no error, then you have to see by running the program if there is problem or if it is running properly. This is called testing. This is called testing. Interpreter, like compiler, 5 minutes more. Like compiler, interpreter program also convert high-level language into machine language. Unlike compiler, whose first convert source program into object program and then show the list of result. Interpreter do not convert source program into object program. You know, compiler directly convert into source program to object program, but interpreter does not do that. Instead, interpreter execute line by line and show result instantly. Take this line written basic. Basic is a programming language. For example, let a equal to 6, let b equal to 2 plus a, print b. Result a is variable, b also a variable. The result means when the interpreter entered the first line into the compiler, it stores 6 in the place of variable a. That means value of a is 6. Then b, 2 plus 6 means 8. Print b. Print b means its result would be 8. That means line when the interpreter translates the second line, it stores 8 in the place of variable b. After entering the third line, it shows the 8 in the place of b on the computer screen. Here is a diagram: source program, interpreter, and result. Here advantage and disadvantage in error correction and change easy. Interpreter program are small in size and take less space in the memory. Normally used in a small computer, these advantage of interpreter not fully converted in the machine language, need translation every time before working. These advantages cannot fully convert into machine language. It is converted line by line. It is converted with written number one line. If we got the error first line, then it stop and show the error. Same time, when you correct the first line, then if you got the third line error, then it correct and show the other error. This way, every line by line message given. But compiler does not do it do at a time. This is the difference. Next one, difference between compiler and interpreter. Here it is your homework, but I given you just study and memorize. Thank you. Stay home and be safe.